So what's the best inspired fragrance brand would you suggest to buy, bro? Actually, nakadepende yan sa'yo as the user kung ano nga ba yung gusto mong scent profile, ano nga ba yung budget mo, and kung ano nga ba yung habal mo sa isang fragrance. Pero if tatanungin ako kung ano nga ba yung mga brands na pwede ko masuggest sa inyo, well, here's my top 5 based on what I have tried so far. Okay, so for my number 5 spot, I have here Aficionado. It's been here for years, ang tagal na nila, and subok na talaga silang panahon. Projection and longevity for its price, it's already good. Projection, ang lakas niya mag-project. Yung longevity niya, medyo mid, pero pwede ka naman mag-respray since mura lang naman siya. And also, ang maganda sa Aficionado is pwede kang magpa-refill sa mga stores nila. So, it's a win-win. And yun nga, ang choices naman nila is medyo common. Mga common fragrance like Polo Blue, Sauvage, Eros, something like that. Pero, those are the fragrances na alam mong gusto ng mga tao, kaya hindi yung binibenta nila. But if you're looking for niche fragrances, you can try Enzo Scent. Yes, top 4 ko si Enzo Scent. Napakadami nilang choices from designer to niche, from expensive to cheap. Napaka-versatile din ni Enzo Scent. The only thing that I've noticed sa Enzo Scent is yung prices nila. It's kinda high, pero those high price na fragrances nila is yung mga fragrances na hindi mo mabibili commonly sa mga ibang brands. For example, yung JPG Elixir, wala sa iba. Yung mga iba pa. Marami silang niche, yung Bond Number 9 New York, Hawas. Napaka-versatile and napakadaming choices pagdating kay Enzo Scent. Maybe yung price lang niya, medyo nasa expensive part na siya for uninspired. Pero so far, pagdating sa performance, okay naman yung projection and longevity niya. Medyo don't expect too much na lang talaga. My number 3 would be HSI, Signature, and Motivational. Bakit? Ba't sila na-stop ko? Kasi meron akong choice dito. If you're looking for a closeness sa OG, pero mababawi sa performance and longevity, then go for HSI Signature Premium. But if you're looking for a good oil quality, and talagang mag-project and talagang magtatagal, then go for HSI Motivational. It's the comparison between those two. So kung nahihirapan ka kung anong magpipili ko sa HSI, then here's the comparison. Scent-wise, Sigprim, performance, then HSI Motivational. Number 2 spot, surprise, I have here Father and Son. Bakit? Number 2 ko si Father and Son. First and foremost, the performance is too good. The juice quality is also good. Ang ganda rin ng mga scents nila. I know, hindi siya ganoon kaamoy ng OG. Meron lang siyang certain point of closeness. Pero, they make it wearable. They make it last longer. And also, if you're wearing Father and Son, ang ganda talaga ng amoy nila. Specifically, si Gentleman and Sailor. Hindi man siya ganoon ka-close sa OG, si Sailor. Pero, if you're looking for a unique approach sa ultra male, then you can go for Father and Son. Pero, yun nga, ang problema ko lang is yung price niya, medyo overpriced. Pero, yun na nga. I think, if you're just looking for a juice quality level na ang ganda talaga ng performance and overall, then Father and Son is your go-to. But, for my number 1 spot, hindi na siya surprise, I have here Cemetery Loves. For Cemetery Loves, feeling ko napakasakto lang ng pricing nila kasi yung juice level nila sobrang ganda. Ang lakas din mag-project, ang lakas din mag-perform, as in, ang tagal niya rin mawala. So yun nga, kaya number 1 ko si Cemetery Loves since ang ganda ng mga inspired nila. Kaso nga lang, ang problema ko na kasi Cemetery Loves is sobrang liit lang ang choices nila. Pero, those choices are, in-expect mo ng good talaga sila. I hope they would release more fragrances, inspired fragrances. But so far, yung mga nasa list nila is, it's already good. So, I don't know. Kaya natapan ko si Cemetery Loves. Basta, pinaka-recommended ko talaga when it comes to the inspired fragrances, Cemetery Loves. Okay, baka may magtanong, di ba favorite mo si The Boar Grooming Co? Bakit wala siya sa list mo? First of all, hindi ko na consider si The Boar Grooming Co as an inspired brand. For me, it's a local brand na nagproduce ng unique and very good fragrances. That's why I don't put it as a inspired. Pero honorable mention siya, kaya yun. Pero hindi siya inspired. Anyways, that is my list of my best inspired fragrance brand based on what I have tried so far. So, kanya-kanya tanong opinion, pero so far, yun talaga yung list ko and yun yung mga masasuggest ko talaga if you're looking for a good fragrance. Kung wala yung mga fragrance brand na gusto ninyo, then I'm so sorry, this is my list. But yeah, as always, peace.